It was a rainy season, and a bird landed in a school playground. Playground was flooded with water, and in that water, many creatures were present. The bird looked at those creatures with its sharp eyes and started eating them with ease. The bird was catching those creatures so quickly that humans couldn't see them in the water, but the bird saw them clearly with its eyes and enjoyed their taste. Now, can you tell us the name of that bird? Was it a big peacock, which hunts creatures in the water during the rainy season? Or was it another bird whose eyes were so sharp that it could see anything in the water? What do you think the name of that bird could be? Let us know in comments.